everyone, this is Marina Shepelsky. I'm a New York immigration attorney, and I'd like to discuss something called the Stokes Interview, which is the second green card interview, especially in New York. They do these interviews where people fail to pass the first marriage green card interview, and they're re-examined by USCIS for various reasons. Usually the Stokes interview is scheduled when people had discrepancies in their first interview or some other issues that come up in their case and they failed the first interview. In that case, the officer reschedules them to come back from 3 weeks to 6 months from the date of the first interview and re-examine them on the marriage itself. I have come up with a list of questions from the Stokes interview, and if you drop your name into an email to me, which will be posted in the comments below, I will email you a free list of the questions. But generally speaking, what are those questions and how does the interview go? The interview starts with the officer reading to both the petitioner, who is the U.S. citizen or the green card holder applying for their relative, and the beneficiary, the person who is looking to get the green card, being read a list of their rights by the USCIS officer, explaining that the interview may take from 1 to 2 hours, explaining their rights, and explaining that they will be interviewed separately. The parties are interviewed separately during the Stokes interview, and they're asked questions that focus on the validity or the good faith or bona fide nature of their marriage. The questions focus on how the parties met, where they met, how well do they know their addresses at the time they met, and at the time they started to live together, and at the current time. They look to see if there's discrepancies in their addresses. They look to see if you guys know each other really well and you know each other's schedules. They look to see if either party disclosed to the other about their immigration status and what their plans are with that immigration status. They look to see how well each party knows about the children of the other. If somebody's kids are overseas, how much child support, if any, they're sending to the kids. They're looking to see if the families know each other. They want to see a photo album with photos of the two of you plus the two of you with family, with friends, in various situations, wearing different clothes and in different locations. At the end, they will compare the list of answers from each side, and they will tell you if there's any discrepancies and give you a chance to verbally address the discrepancies. Sometimes documents are required to address the discrepancies. In either case, at the end, if you have less than approximately 5 to 7 discrepancies, you would have passed the Stokes interview and you would receive an approval of your I-130 petition. For more questions, give us a call at our office at 718-769-6352. And you can also visit our website at www.e-us-visa.com. Happy immigration cases. Bye-bye.